Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with The Quilted Cow, and today I'm going to show you how to make the charming placemat number 3. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Mats, and Cutters, and the beautiful Wilmington prints, the fabric I'll be using today. Let's get started. Today I'll show you how to make the helpful Heifer charming placemat number 3. It's super easy to make, and you can get kits for this on our website at thequiltedcow.com. The kit comes with all the fabric you need to sit and sew and with the pattern. So let's get started. First, you will cut your fabric, your main piece, to size, and you can either use a charm like pack or you can use the mini charm, 2 mini charms. You will cut them to size if you're using a charm pack. And we're going to do 4 rows of 5 and then 4 rows of 9 squares. And we're just going to lay these right sides together. And you can lay your squares out however you would like around your placemat. I'm going to put those right sides together. And I'm going to continue down this line, putting these right sides together, pinning them. And then I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch down the lines. I'm going to continue doing that until we have all 5 squares together. You can see here I have stitched 5 of my squares together and 5 of my squares here. And then I did 2, 9. So now I'm going to take my main fabric and my 2 sides. I'm going to turn them right sides together. And I'm going to pin. And then I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch down each side. I have my sides attached, so let's go ahead and press those open. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing by stitching the top and bottom rows of 9, laying them right sides together and just pinning in place. Okay, now that I have everything pinned, let's go ahead and take it to the machine and sew 1/4 inch down each side that we pinned. Okay, we have our top and bottom borders on. So let's go ahead and press those open. And once again, I'm going to press those toward the middle, your main fabric. And there you have your helpful Heifer charming placemat number 3. Now, as you can see, this one is machine quilted. So you can quilt this on your domestic machine, or if you have a long arm, you can quilt it that way as well. And then once you have it quilted, you can just do your binding and then you're finished. See, this was super easy. Remember to check out our website for kits and patterns at thequiltedcow.com. Kits come with the pattern and fabrics to sit and sew. Like and subscribe to watch all of our videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Rotary Cutters, and Mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.